Welcome back to the channel, guys. In the last video we have seen a piston, so today we are going to design the piston pin or the gudgeon pin. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going for selecting the front plane, go for sketch, select a circle, draw a circle of what we have taken the hole for that gudgeon pin hole, that was 25 sorry 20, so we will go with the 20 mm, and then we again go for a circle, select this one, go for the circle, select the point, draw another circle, select this, go for this will be of 10 mm. I think that is much, 15 mm, yeah, it's supposed to be good. Go for feature, extrude boss base, and extend it to 100 mm. Hit ok. Now what we have to do, we have to fillet this one, both sides. So let's select fillet, select this and this, and the dimension will be 10 mm. Take, okay, it will not take 10 mm, so we will go for 2 mm. Let's see, will it work? Yeah, that's okay. So the piston pin or the gudgeon pin is ready. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. We will see connecting rod in next video. Bye.